Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Ten Best Lab Oscilloscopes New Model 2022. Rigol MSO5104 100 MHz Mixed Signal Oscilloscope with 4 analog channels and UltraVision 2.2 technology. 4 analog channels with probes included utilize digital channels by adding PLA 2216 probe. 8 GSA/SEC sampling with 100 million memory points. 9-inch touchscreen display USB, HDMI, and Ethernet connectivity.
Top 10.
Rigol MSO5104 100 MHz Mixed Signal Oscilloscope with 4 analog channels and UltraVision 2.2 technology. 4 analog channels with probes included utilize digital channels by adding PLA 2216 probe. 8 GSA/SEC sampling with 100 million memory points. 9-inch touchscreen display USB, HDMI, and Ethernet connectivity.
Top 9.
Rigol DS1104Z Digital Oscilloscopes. Bandwidth, 50 MHz, channels, 4 serial decode included.
Top 8.
4 channels digital oscilloscope, 1 GS/S sample rate 250 MHz LCD PC desktop portable USB oscilloscope with 1 CH Arbitary/function waveform generator by Hantek DSO4254C. 4 CH oscilloscope with 1 CH Arbitary/function waveform generator, independent keys of oscilloscope, and waveform generator which is easy to operate at the same time. 250 MHz bandwidth. Minimum measurement range 500 MV/div 1 GS/S sample rate. Advanced digital trigger system, high trigger sensitivity. The high-resolution 7-inch color LCD screen, 800 x 480 pixels provides more than 14 trigger functions: edge, overtime, pulse, pattern, interval, etc. Function/arbitrary signal generator 25 MHz 12-bit S resolution, 200 MHz DDS, ARB/square wave/sine wave/triangular wave/trapezoidal wave/impulse wave/DC, etc. Easy to simulate the sensor.
Top 7.
2-channel oscilloscope ADS 1014D, 2-in-1 oscilloscope and signal generator, 100 MHz, built-in 1 GB storage space, analog bandwidth, 1 GSA/S sampling rate, intelligent anti-burn. 7 inches color LCD screen, 800/480 resolution, bright color and high contrast. You can adjust the screen brightness and background grid brightness according to your needs. Thin and light, easy to carry. Built-in DDS signal generator, support 12 kinds of functional signals. Cursor measurement function, convenient manual measurement period, frequency and voltage. Built-in high voltage protection module, can withstand up to 400 V continuous voltage without fear of burning out. Equipped with efficient 1-button automatic, without tedious adjustment can display the measured waveform, 1 key to save the waveform. Built-in 1 GB storage space. Very convenient screen capture and waveform storage functions.
Top 6.
Pantech DSO 2D15 Digital Storage Lab Oscilloscopes 150 MHz bandwidth, 2 CH dual channel, 1 GSA/S 8M memory depth with 1 CH waveform generator. Cost-effective economy oscilloscope, 150 MHz bandwidth, 1 GSA/S 8M memory depth. With 1 CH 25 MHz waveform generator, support arbitrary waveform output. 14 kinds of trigger modes, standard with 5 kinds of serial protocol triggers and decodes. 32 kinds of auto measurements with statistics. 3-digit digital voltage meter and 6-digit hardware frequency indicator functions. 2 sets of DVM, abundant SCPI remote command control. It is a useful commissioning instrument for various fields such as communication, aerospace, national defense, embedded systems, computers, research and education.
Top 5.
Siglent Technologies SDS 1052DL 50 MHz Digital Storage Oscilloscope. 50 MHz, 2-channel digital oscilloscope for electronics applications such as product design, assembly lines, repair and servicing, and electrical engineering education, maximum real-time sample rate of 500 MSS, 1 channel, and record length of 32 kpts, 1 channel, for acquiring detailed waveforms, new, higher resolution display. Advanced triggers for isolation of specific signals, cursors, math, built-in frequency counter, automatic measurements, now includes USB and LAN interfaces.
Top 4.
Siglent Technologies SDS 1102 CML plus digital storage oscilloscope, 100 MHz. 100 MHz, 2-channel digital oscilloscope for electronics applications such as product design, assembly lines, repair and servicing, and electrical engineering education. Edge, pulse, video, slope, alternative or trigger types.
Top 3.
Siglent SDS 1104X-E 100 MHz digital oscilloscope, 4 channels, standard decoder. 100 MHz, 4 channels, 1 GSA/use, 1 MPTS FFT standard decoder, YEAPOOK, SPI, UART/RS232, CAN, LIN 16 digital channels, MSO, 4-channel series only, option. USB AWG module 4-channel series only, option. USB Wi-Fi adapter 4-channel series only, option. Note: refer user guide included along with the product before us.
Top 2.
Yipook ADS 1013D Handheld Digital Tablet Oscilloscope Portable Storage Oscilloscope Kit with 2 channels, 100 MHz bandwidth, 1 GSA/S sampling rate, 7 TFT LCD touchscreen. Adds 1013D+. Professional design. 2 channels, 100 MHz analog bandwidth at 1 GSA/S real-time sampling. 240 kbit sample memory depth. HD screen. 7-color TFT LCD touchscreen with 800/480 resolution. Easily measuring auto/normal/single 3 trigger modes, it is easy to capture instantaneous waveform. Intelligent anti-burn. Built-in high-voltage protection module, can tolerate a continuous voltage of up to 400 V. Versatile. ASD 1013D is widely applicable in the academic experiment, electronic product design, debugging and maintenance, electronic engineering education, etc.
Top 1.
Siglent SDS 1104X-E 100 MHz digital oscilloscope, 4 channels, standard decoder. 100 MHz, 4 channels, 1 GSA/use, 1 MPTS FFT standard decoder. YEAPOOK, SPI, UART/RS232, CAN, LIN 16 digital channels, MSO, 4-channel series only, option. USB AWG module 4-channel series only, option. USB Wi-Fi adapter 4-channel series only, option. Note: refer user guide included along with the product before use. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.